Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again, my lovely subscribers. And for those that are just coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to click the subscribe button. Thank you, and don't also forget to share this video to your friends. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to be solving the question displayed on the screen, where I have to solve for x in what 3x plus 12 is equal to what 2x plus 20, and we're given a timer of what of 2 minutes. Okay. So let's see whether we can meet up to the time. So first thing I need to do is to write my expression, that is what 3x plus 12 is equal to 2x plus 20. Then the next step is for me to make x the subject. What making x the subject means is what, you bring x to one side and the other to the other side. Okay. So that will give me what, if I bring 2x to the left hand side to meet with 3x, my 2x will turn to what, minus 2x. So that will give me what, 3x minus 2x plus 12 is equal to what, 20. Since I'm trying to make x in one side and the other value to the other side, that means I have to bring what, 12 to the other side. So that will give me what, 3x minus 2x is equal to what, 20 minus 12. So if I simplify this will give me what, x is equal to 8. From what, 3x minus 2x is what, x. 20 minus 12 is what, 8. Thank you very much for. Please do well to click the subscribe button, like, and share. Thank you.